In the footage, workers are continuing their routine tasks inside the workshop when suddenly a bright flash of light appears. Immediately afterward, a powerful explosion occurs, and within seconds, a massive fireball forms. The flames spread rapidly due to the impact of the blast and quickly turn into an uncontrolled fire that covers a large part of the workspace. The intense heat and pressure created pose a serious danger to everyone nearby. To prevent such incidents, flammable materials and potential ignition sources in work areas must be regularly inspected. No, fire safety rules must be strictly followed. Evacuation routes should always remain clear, and appropriate firefighting equipment must be readily available. This footage captures a severe industrial accident involving high-speed rotating machinery. A worker positioned too close to unguarded equipment was accidentally caught in the drive mechanism, leading to a tragic outcome that serves as a sobering reminder of workplace hazards. To prevent such incidents, strict adherence to OSHA standards is vital. Always maintain safe clearance from moving parts like shafts and gears. Proper work attire is mandatory. Avoid loose clothing, jewelry, or unrestrained hair that can snag. Facilities must implement engineering controls, like physical barriers and emergency e-stop sensors. Most importantly, employees must maintain constant situational awareness and never become complacent. Safety must always come first to protect everyone in the industrial environment. This footage captures a sudden, intense fire in an indoor parking facility when a motorcycle's fuel tank area abruptly ignites. The rapid spread of flames and thick smoke serves as a serious reminder. This footage captures a sudden, intense fire in an indoor parking facility when a motorcycle's fuel tank area abruptly ignites. The rapid spread of flames and thick smoke serves as a serious reminder of vehicle fire hazards. To prevent such incidents, perform regular fuel leak inspections. Check for the smell of gasoline, as leaks, combined with ignition sparks, are a primary cause of fires. Routine maintenance of electrical systems is crucial to avoid dangerous arcs from frayed wires. Avoid unauthorized modifications to electrical or fuel systems, which significantly increase the risk of short circuits. This footage captures a sudden, intense fire in an indoor parking facility where a motorcycle fuel tank area abruptly ignites. The rapid spread of flames and thick smoke serves as a serious reminder of vehicle fire hazards. To prevent such incidents, perform regular fuel leak inspections. Check for the smell of gasoline, as leaks, combined with ignition sparks, are a primary cause of fires. Routine maintenance of electrical systems is crucial to avoid dangerous arcs from frayed wires. Avoid unauthorized modifications to electrical or fuel systems, which significantly increase the risk of short circuits. In an emergency, evacuate immediately and never use water on a gasoline fire. Use a Class B extinguisher instead. Safety first. While servicing a heavy-duty truck tire, the technicians experienced a sudden high-pressure blowout due to structural failure. The massive force displaced nearby objects and filled the workspace with debris, highlighting the extreme risks of pressurized systems. This incident underscores critical safety protocols. Always use a steel safety cage to contain potential blasts and perform rigorous inspections of tire integrity and valves before maintenance. Technicians must wear full PPE, including safety glasses and hard hats, and avoid standing in the trajectory path of the tire sidewalls. Workplace safety is never optional. Skipping specialized equipment or safety steps can lead to devastating consequences. Always prioritize strict safety protocols over speed to ensure every worker returns home safely. A recent industrial incident occurred at a busy port when a heavy-duty truck carrying a large storage tank struck an overhead canopy. Due to poor clearance management, the impact caused the load to shift and overturn onto a nearby workspace, requiring immediate emergency intervention to assist the personnel on site. This serves as a vital reminder that safety is a shared responsibility, not an option. To prevent such hazards, operators must conduct thorough route surveys for overhead obstacles and always utilize ground spotters in tight areas. Furthermore, workers must strictly maintain exclusion zones around moving machinery and remain fully compliant with PPE standards, including hard hats and high visibility gear. Prioritizing these protocols over speed is essential to prevent irreversible consequences and ensure every team member returns home safely. This industrial safety alert highlights the critical dangers of ignoring workplace protocols and operating heavy machinery alone. The footage depicts an individual attempting to maneuver a large piece of industrial equipment, such as a commercial mixer, on an unstable surface without any assistance. Consequently, the machine lost its balance and collapsed directly onto the worker in a split second, leaving no time for reaction. This severe accident serves as a vital reminder to never work alone with heavy loads. Instead, always use specialized gear like forklifts or hoists. Furthermore, it is essential to verify surface stability and ensure machinery is anchored on a solid foundation. Operators must identify the center of gravity to prevent tipping and always wear proper PPE to minimize injuries. Ultimately, never trade personal safety for convenience, as a single moment of oversight can have life-altering consequences for your health. This warehouse safety alert serves as a stark reminder of the vital importance of occupational safety protocols. Following a severe industrial accident involving active forklift operations, the incident, caused by a momentary lapse in situational awareness and a failure to maintain a safe distance, resulted in a heavy load falling from an elevated rack onto an individual with life-altering consequences. To prevent such tragedies, personnel must strictly maintain safe clearance zones and never walk beneath elevated racks. The mandatory use of PPE, including hard hats and high-visibility gear, is essential to mitigate risks from falling objects. Furthermore, both operators and pedestrians must prioritize heightened situational awareness through clear signaling. Proper loading procedures are crucial. All goods must be secured on pallets to prevent instability, because accidents stem from a single moment of oversight. This footage captures a severe industrial dust explosion at a metal processing facility on December 23, 2024. Initially, operations appear normal as workers perform routine welding and cutting. However, a major hazard unfolds when sparks ignite fine metallic dust suspended in the air and settled on surfaces. This triggered a rapid chain reaction, resulting in a high-intensity blast. Within seconds, the force caused significant structural damage, sending a massive cloud of debris throughout the workshop. This incident is a critical reminder of industrial hazards. To prevent such events, facilities must prioritize dust mitigation, proper ventilation, and strict ignition control. Workplace safety is a necessity, and managing fine particulate is essential for a secure environment. This footage captures an excavator digging a trench directly alongside a building's foundation, where a critical technical error led to severe consequences. By applying excessive force too close to the structural supports, the operator compromised the wall's stability, causing a total collapse into the excavation site in seconds. This incident resulted in extensive property damage and created an extremely hazardous environment. It highlights the absolute necessity of mandatory engineering surveys to assess soil and foundation integrity before digging. Precision is vital, as heavy machinery requires a deep understanding of load distribution to avoid catastrophic chain reactions. Furthermore, maintaining strict safety perimeters and no-go zones is essential to protect personnel. Ultimately,